Hey, welcome back to this is part 3 now, Mount Pleasant Farm barn restoration. So today is going to be fairly quick. I don't have a ton of time. As you see behind me there, I'll be getting that cross member put in. I need to trim that board off to the side there too so I can fit it a little bit better. And then we'll get 2 horizontal braces on the wall approximately there and down lower, and they're just going to string across so I can get the siding on and start getting that done. But a lot going on today. We have a fire department function later, and I'm getting a late start today because of other things going on. So I'm hoping just to make this beam out of 2x6s, maybe get it in place, and we'll go from there and see what happens. Follow along. Okay, step 1 is complete. We got our beam cut, got the 2 pieces screwed together, and now I'm going to go ahead and put that thing in place. Okay, that beam is in place, and now it's ready for some screws. Going along smooth. So as you see here, got the that top plate is in and secured, screwed down. Got the first horizontal piece installed, and then we're going to do one more horizontal piece about halfway up to line up with that other old one there. And then we'll be done for the day because it's getting ready to start raining. Okay, we're done for the day here. There's the finished product. Everything's nailed and, or I should say, screwed in place. And next time I work when it's not raining, it'll be putting up siding on this quarter of the barn here. So anyway, hopefully the rest of it will be a little bit easier. Got kind of a system in place now, so it should be moving quicker. Appreciate you all watching. If you like what you see here, please like and subscribe, and as always, share with your friends and keep getting after it.